Okay, now in terms of extinguishing the fire in a safe way, I've moved a bit closer for this here, so you can see I've got my poker. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move all these elements away from each other. What that does is it reduces the amount of heat that's centralised. Once I've done that, what I can start to do is apply the water. What I don't really want to do is pour on a huge amount of water where it has a chance for the embers to come out of here and onto the surrounding area. So I'm going to do it in a very gentle manner. You could also use a watering can. We go around the edge like this, round over this side, all the while ensuring there are no remaining hot spots. What I want to do is essentially flood this with water so that all the contents here are submerged fully. Okay, so you can see I've used an entire bucket of water on this, and now all the contents are submerged. You can use your hand actually to feel any remaining heat, any hot spots, but at this point here there's nothing. It seems to have cooled right down. I'm going to leave this until much later on, and then I'll dispose of this safely in a manner which makes sure that the surrounding area is not impacted, the environment is remaining in a safe and secure way. I'm not damaging the ground or damaging any shrubbery, trees nearby. But this is the safest way that I find to extinguish a fire using a fire pit. Also bear in mind though, the fire pit could still be hot to touch around the edges, so we make sure that children do remain back from that space.